And they're off. Yeah, as you can see, just arrived at Three Sisters. Just scoping the track out. Let's get the reception check in. Oh, look at that. Nice overalls, little bit tight. Walking over towards the pits now. Shitting it. Nearly there, nearly there. Okay, just keep your guts in. First look at the track. Looking like it's running fast even in the wet. Yeah, that one's a bit slow. Yeah, it's getting a bit real now. That's me there, number 23. Yeah, just getting warm. Just warming up the tyres, you know how it goes. But it's about to get serious. Yeah, it's race on now. Game face, ready to roll. Let's go. Yep, as you can hear by the music change, it's getting a little bit serious. You're not gapping my guy. Sure. Thundercats, go. Really getting serious now, let's go. Last few laps. 20-minute session. My guy's trying to get past, but nah, you can't gap me. Or did I get gapped? And the checkered flag. So, did I get gapped or what? Thanks for tuning in, guys. Don't forget, like and subscribe. The results coming soon.